7:45. Hang on. Right there we go. All right, we're back. I don't know what that was. 7:45. Dr. Kristen Simpson with Simpson Dental Associates is here to answer your questions. If you have a question for the dentist this morning, you can call the number on your screen, which will be coming up here. Right there it is, 1-877-924-7888. Graphics are all over the place today. I don't know what's going on. While we wait for some calls, let's talk a little bit about Drillist Dentistry. When will that be available?
Well, that's something that is already available. We always talk about advances in dentistry, and Drillist Dentistry is something that can already be used for smaller fillings, like on the tops of the teeth. So, if we just need to clean out those grooves and where there's decay deep in those grooves, we can do it with what's called air abrasion. So it basically just kind of cleans out the grooves and makes them ready for that filling material that can fill in those spots on the tops of the teeth. So it's definitely already available, and of course we've had advances in the types of handpieces that we use to make it to where they work better and faster. So there's always things changing in dentistry to make it more comfortable for patients.
Now, there's an event you guys have coming up here pretty soon. If you want to tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, it's called Give Kids a Smile, and it's coming up on February the 6th. It's from 9 to 3. It's going to be in South Charleston, right on Jefferson Road. And basically what it is where we provide free dental treatment for kids between the ages of like 2 to 18 that don't have any type of dental insurance. So, these people that have maybe fallen through the cracks and don't have any type of Medicare, Medicaid, or CHIPS, they can seek treatment. It'll be a one-day event, so you'll get a cleaning, x-rays, and an exam by the doctor. And if there are any emergency needs that they might need that day, and if we have time to do it, we'll do as much as we can.
That's really a good event because, you get a lot of people that call in asking about, I need this done, I need that done, but they really don't have the money. They don't really want to fool with the insurance issue as well.
Yes.
So we've got John on the phone. John, good morning. What's your question for Dr. Simpson?
Hello.
Hello.
John, good morning. What's your question for the doctor this morning?
Yes. Using plackers, is it as effective as using regular dental floss?
Well, floss is the best way to get in between the teeth. Really, it's can't be replaced. You can use other aids to help with getting some of the plaque below the gums, but really to get in between the teeth, floss is really the only way to do that. So as long as you're doing it every night before bed, that's the best time to floss your teeth to make sure that you're keeping those gums healthy.
All right, great question. Let's go to Donna. Donna, good morning. What's your question for the doctor?
Oh, my son is having trouble. He had a root canal done about 2 years ago. And he's starting to have blood to come to the top of the filling.
Okay.
Oh, goodness.
Well, with the root canal treatment, it doesn't just finish with having the root canal done. It has to have a filling on top of it, which is called the core, and then a crown over top of that. So, a lot of times people will think that it's finished when they've just had the root canal, but really that tooth is weak and it needs the support of a crown. If you don't finish the whole process of the treatment there, that tooth is still very brittle and can break. So there are lots of other conditions that can happen if you don't finish the whole treatment there.
Okay, let's go to Bonnie now. Bonnie, good morning. What's your question for Dr. Simpson? Do we have Bonnie? Bonnie, can you hear us? Well, I don't think we have Bonnie, unfortunately. So let's talk just a little bit. You got that event that's coming up February 6th again?
February 6th,
okay.
Yes.
Very important for kids.
That's right, it is. And they can go to the website, which is Capital City GKAS, which stands for Give Kids a Smile, or call that number to get any more information they might need.
Dr. Simpson, have a great week. Thanks for coming in on this Monday.
Sure.
All right, we'll take a break. Be back after this.